So we all know that Korean can be very challenging sometimes. Sometimes it can even get boring because there is so much to learn in shorter period of time. For all of you who are interested in learning Korean quite effectively and at the same time have a lot of fun, I have an amazing tip for you. I'm going to teach you how you can learn Korean through Korean cartoons. Yes, if you want to skip to any part of the video, you can directly do so. I'm attaching timestamps at every part. Also guys, before we start, don't forget to hit on like and subscribe to this channel. 시작할까요? So the first thing that you're gonna do is type ToonPic, and that is basically the website where we are going to watch some cartoons. So this is ToonPic. Subscribe to it. And then you will see that there are different cartoons. Soul Scandal season 2, you have the Bait, you have season 2, the Blah. Now you can choose any of these cartoons. I would like to choose Blah, and I don't really care about following the episodes as such from first episode to the next episode, because I am basically here to learn Korean. But if you want to start from first episode, you can start from here. So I'll just show you the cartoon. So the first thing that you're going to do is turn on the subtitles. This is how it will turn out to be. So guys, there's one problem, that both the subtitles are clashing a bit. Mostly you will be able to see both the subtitles, right? You'll be able to read the words, but I don't want you to read both subtitles together because that's not really going to help you in improving your listening skills. So what you do is that there's this option, shortcut actually, to turn off the subtitles, which is just clicking C on your keyboard. So you just click the C, the subtitles disappear, and now you try listening to the cartoon. So this is a sentence that I want to copy into my notebook, and for example, if I don't know what alba hanji is, what I simply do is turn on the subtitles. Now as soon as I turn them on by just clicking C, which is like the easiest way to actually use this subtitle option. Another amazing option to read the English subtitles is by going here. These are the 3 dots. Click on this and open the transcript. Now you will have the complete transcript in English at every time frame. You see, this is amazing. So now he is going at 0:29, so I'm just going to go down 0:29. So I have always done things this way. It's at 0:28. So this is amazing. According to what they are saying, the highlighted sentences are changing so that you know exactly where you have to be. So in a way, you don't even need to turn on the subtitles. You can just keep them off. Now try reading it. So I'm going to write down the vocabulary from this particular sentence. Here, there is 구했어, which is a verb along with the grammar pattern. So I'm going to write it down along with some vocabulary. The first thing that I'm going to do is search for areba. Now the areba basically is like some weird word is coming up. So I'm going to search it and see, there's like this part-time job. So I'm going to write it down. I always write the vocabulary with pink pen. So I write areba. I'll be using blue pen for explanation. It is a part-time job. You can also write the pronunciation for it, which sounds like areba. There is another word, kuhada, which basically means to find. Next, I want to search the grammar 타는 것이다, which is included in this sentence. Even if you don't type the correct grammar, mostly you can just type some part of the sentence, and if it contains a grammar, you'll probably get it on Google. So I will be going into any of the links because all of them actually have this particular grammar point. Explanation with blue pen. The grammar form like this in blue pen and the particular grammar in green pen, so that I know what I'm writing. Sometimes if I want, like I have written here, I write the whole sentence. If I like a sentence, I like the construction, I put it down as a whole. But sometimes I don't want to write long sentences, so I just jot down the vocabulary and the grammar. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions, you can put them down in the comments. 안녕!